crack of dawn. Bust my ass all day long, doing what Daddy done on this old farm. He said nothing's handed to you, you get out what you put in. Thank God for all you can, 'cause He's been our best friend on this old farm. On this old farm, it's where I wanna raise my kids and live a simple life like my mom and daddy did, and reach out my hand to those in need and be the best man I can be for my family like my daddy was on this old farm. We survived the Great Depression and held on through 2 world wars. A lot of blood and tears have been shed to keep this old farm. On this old farm, it's where I wanna raise my kids and live a simple life like my mom and daddy did, and reach out my hand to those in need and be the best man I can be for my family like my grandpa was on this old farm. There's dirt on my hands from a hard day's work. My back hurts like hell for what it's worth. Some people ask me why I still give a damn. Well, it's where I took my first breath, and it's where I'll take my last on this old farm. It's where I wanna raise my kids and live a simple life like my mom and daddy did, and reach out my hand to those in need and be the best man I could be for my family like great granddaddy was on this old farm. On this old farm.
From the fuel that fills your truck to the coffee in your cup, don't thank the corner store or that early morning rush. Thank a farmer. Yeah, I think back to that hayfield filled with girls and 4 wheels, sneaking off with her for that first time. You can thank a farmer. I still believe in amber waves of grain, man on his knees praying for rain that grew this country strong and keep us moving on. They get tougher as their lives keep getting harder. Oh, I think it's time we all all thank a farmer. From the blacktop roads you ran, that used to be his land, to big cities and small towns that he built with his two hands, you can thank a farmer. And for this shirt on my back, and these boots on my feet, and them tank top wearing country girls, and them old skin tight blue jeans, I thank a farmer. Yeah, I thank a farmer. I still believe in amber waves of grain, man on his knees praying for rain that grew this country strong and keep us moving on. They get tougher as their lives keep getting harder. Yeah, I think it's time we all thank the farmer. I still believe in amber waves of grain, man on his knees praying for rain that grew this country strong and keep us moving on. They get tougher as their lives keep getting harder. I think it's time we all thank a farmer. Thank a farmer. A lot of folks like me still care about the FFA and county fairs, and the folks who really make this world go round. I'd like to thank a farmer.